So sa ibang usapin naman po ma'am, ano po yung mga strategic priorities na inyong tututukan para sa kapakanan ng senior citizen sa bansa? Nabanggit niyo yung sa medical assistance.
Opo, apat talaga yan, Ate Kweng. Unahin natin, medical well-being. Alam mo, pinaka number one need ng seniors natin ay yung kanilang medical well-being. So meron tayong mga programa para dyan, kasama natin ang Department of Health, of course, dahil meron silang elderly care package at ang ating PhilHealth sa e-consulta and ang ating iba't ibang mga medical specialty societies dahil very specific naman ang mga doctors na needs ng ating mga seniors in terms of their wellness. Pangalawa, kailangan natin economic security. So yung economic security, doon natin ipapasok ang livelihood. Naniniwala tayo, there has to be a paradigm shift now. Hindi dapat dole out lang Kailangan very active sila, engaged so they become part again of the economic growth of the country. Pangatlo ay kailangan siguro natin ang tinatawag nating social inclusion and participation. By doing all of these things back to the communities and up here, I believe that is one way of including them in whatever programs we have. At ang pang-apat na kailangan natin tingnan ay accessibility to government services. Yung ating ginagawa, the community-based care centers, kasama nitong mga livelihood natin, this is actually a whole of government approach.